We are live. How you guys doing? It's been a crazy last 24 hours. I can't even tell you guys what's going on here. So, we started getting involved in Chaincoin. It's a cryptocurrency under the symbol CHC, which you can buy on Cryptopia. Now, if you guys want to learn where to buy CHC, you want to learn about Chaincoin, you can actually go to www.richtvlive.com. We got all of our links there, and you got all the different cryptocurrency opportunities, ways to buy cryptocurrencies, and we've got all the different exchanges on there. And you can see we've got Livecoin, which I believe is one of the best exchanges on the planet. We've also got Cryptopia, which is where you can go and actually purchase, buy, and trade Chaincoin. And we've got Quadriga CX, which is the #1 exchange to buy, sell, trade, transfer Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in Canada. And what I wanted to do with richtvlive.com is I wanted to create like a one-stop shop for everything: Bitcoin, stocks, sports, trending, entrepreneurial. And what's happened here is we stumbled onto this gentleman named Max, and man, I can't tell you really what's happened because it's like changed our lives already in a short period of time. But like literally 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, Max and his community, which we are now a part of, and we're really happy to be a part of this community. You guys want to see the shirt? Let me show you guys the shirt. Let me show you guys the shirt. I'm laid back and easy going. That's what I'm talking about. I'm laid back and easy going today. So I'm just chilling in my backyard. I got a quarter acre here. I'm in beautiful British Columbia. And last night was crazy, man. So DJ Cloud Ninja was the first one to talk about CHC, Chaincoin. Take a look at it, guys. I believe it's 46th right now on the list of, or maybe, I think it went up a little bit, 64 on the list of all the top cryptocurrencies out of 811. We broke the top 100. And DJ Cloud Ninja, he was the first one to say, hey guys, you got to take a look at this coin. And at the time, I was so busy building the website, I was so busy doing everything, I didn't really get a chance to look at it. So, unfortunately, I didn't get in when he did, and everybody else did, and they got in at 46 cents. Super good price. Some of you got in a little higher, 60, and I wasn't really paying attention because I was so busy building the website, building the YouTube channel, and it was just a crazy time at the time when we were learning about it. And it's been crazy what's happened here, because ever since I started really paying attention to what's happening and what's going on, it's just exploded. I mean, we saw Chaincoin go up all the way from 46 cents to $6. I don't know, Kenny, what's the highest it's ever been? $6.80, I believe. Just like ridiculous highs. And then yesterday there was like literally a war that took place where everybody was bashing. The trolls came out and everybody was bashing Chaincoin. All the haters came out and they started bashing Chaincoin. They started bashing Chaincoin. And I was literally up with Max and his community on Slack and on YouTube and watching this fight, and Max was doing everything he could to bring the momentum, to bring the buying, and he did. It went down to like under $2. It was like at a low of like $1.37 from $6. So it did really, really well, went all the way up dramatically, and then it came back down because of all the haters, the trolls, the whales that were selling, taking profits, the pump and dumpers, the bashers, and the panickers. So it went all the way down, and literally there was a war that ensued where Max went up and was on YouTube with his entire community and was just telling everybody, "Bye, let's win this war, let's take this back," and they literally took it all the way back up to $3. And then I was tired. It was like late, and it was like It was like a war, and it was exhausting. Honestly, it was exhausting, and but I'm just so happy to be a part of this because I've never really seen anything like it. I've been trading stocks and cryptocurrencies and making investments for over 18 years. I have never seen anything like this where people are coming together and creating buy walls and sell walls and working together with the power of the people, which is very similar to our message. What's up, hodlers? So we started, you know, this new revolution where we can buy and sell together. We can buy, sell, and hold together. We can make money together. And I'm really, really excited about being a part of this community because I think it's revolutionary in the sense that so many people are coming together and so many people are fighting this good fight. And it's not even about the money. I don't even care about the money. It's not about the price of Chaincoin anymore. It's about being a part of something bigger, something better, something revolutionary, something different. And I just feel like blessed that we can be a part of this because there's just so many people that are becoming a part of this so quickly. And 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 like I said, in 18 years I've never seen anything like it where the people and one guy named Max, who's a really smart guy, has the power to really drive the market. And I've been in the stock market for many years and I've seen a lot of promoters do a good job. I've seen promoters take stocks up. I've seen a lot of things happen. But I've never really seen anything like this. This is unique. This is different. And to be a part of it, and yeah, we're small right now. We're a small community, and some of you guys are involved, and we're all getting involved, and we're gonna keep pushing, and we're gonna keep being a part of this to grow this story, to tell this story, and to get the masses to understand what's going on, because this is different. This is unique. This is not like anything I've ever seen before. To be a part of something like this is exciting. This is exciting, and I'd be ashamed of selling. Honestly, like I'd be ashamed of selling. And it's interesting because Max will call you out if you sell, you know? And I think that's pretty interesting. I've never seen anything like it. I really, really think it's unique. And to be a part of something like this that is so exciting, it's like a war. It's like a war every single day. It like never ends. It's like when it goes up, we're cheering. When it goes down, we're fighting. And to be a part of something like this, it's like a 24-hour day, 7-day a week revolution, war, battle. And I want to be on the good side. I want you, the guys within the Rich TV Live community and the ladies within the Rich TV Live community to be a part of this battle. And I want to do it the right way. I want to be on the good side. I'm not going to tell you guys that you can't sell. I'll let Max do that. He does a very good job of that. You guys are traders. You guys can buy low, sell high, like we always do. But at the same time, if you watch Max, you will understand why you should not sell. So I'm going to tell you guys right now, I will be accumulating a lot of Chaincoin. I'm looking to move money around, and I'm going to be buying a lot of it. I want to have a lot of masternodes. I'm very excited about this coin. I'm very excited about this revolution. And next week, I'm going to be positioning myself very heavily. As I do this and as I accumulate, I will not sell any coins. I will not hurt the wall. I will not be negative towards this revolution. I will not do anything to hurt Chaincoin because I believe in the power of the revolution. To me, the power of the revolution is more exciting than the money. It's about the movement. It's about the power of the people. It's about making an impact on society. And I really, really love the message that Max is sending. I believe it's unique. I believe it's different. And like I said, I can't tell you guys what you guys should do, nor would I want to. But if you guys watch Max and you start to understand him and you start to understand the message he's sending and this is a shout out to Max, man. Max, thank you for letting me join your community on Slack. I really feel blessed and fortunate. And I'm going to continue to push your message and push the brand and push the story behind Chaincoin to the masses. And I just think it's such a great story. And I can't, I don't know where it's going to go. I believe it's going to go up. But what I can tell you guys is it's just exciting to be a part of it. I, I don't know if I've ever seen anything like it, to be quite honest with you. Um, like, I, I don't know what to really compare it to. I don't know if there's anything really to compare it to. I mean, every other cryptocurrency in the last few days has tanked. And the only one that was up was CHC. So obviously, when it started to get so much attention and so much recognition, the pump and dumpers, the haters, the shorters, the trolls, they were going to sell. And 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 I knew this was going to happen. I told a lot of people within our community, this is going to happen. And that's exactly what happened. But I also knew the power of the people was so great that if we continued to hold on and hodl and we continue to accumulate at these lower levels and lower our average cost and accumulate these coins and get our master nodes and accumulate master nodes, that we would be okay, that we would be fine, and that we would win. Now, I know some of you guys got in at higher prices. Some of you guys were worried yesterday. A lot of you were wondering what you should do. And I told you guys from the beginning, like, listen, guys, do whatever you want to do. I can't tell you guys what to do. But what I always tell everyone is go watch Max. Before you sell, before you buy, go watch Max. Understand his message. Understand his vision. Understand his goals and aspirations for this coin. And I think if you start to really understand his vision and understand his direction, you would almost be ashamed of selling, and you almost feel like a trader. And I'm not a trader, and I got brass balls. So I have no problem holding on for the long haul. And I can assure you right now that this is something that is very exciting. This is a revolution. I've already learned a lot from Max as far as how to grow on YouTube, how to grow a coin, how to build a community, and I'm extremely impressed with him. I mean, I've learned more from him in a few days than I probably have from any other YouTuber, and I've been on YouTube for years. So I don't know what to tell you other than I'm super excited to be a part of this. We are now a part of the High on Coins revolution. We are a part of the High on Coins community. I feel blessed. It's like the tools of the gods to be a part of this. And I'm going to do everything I can to be a big member of the community, to be a big member of the movement. And you, the people, you guys are incredible. You guys got in. You guys are holding. You guys are hodling. You guys understand the plan. You guys understand the vision. And I just love you guys. And I'm so proud of you guys. And the fact that we are, as a community, going to hold strong and continue to put out the word, continue to put out the message, continue to share the vision that Max has. And it's going to become our vision. We are going to be united. And I just can't tell you how excited I am and how I haven't really been able to sleep myself since we've started learning about Chaincoin, because not only has it helped a lot of the members within this community make money, but I think it's been a major breakthrough as far as giving us hope, in the sense that as investors, we're always looking for the next big pick. And as a person who buys stocks, buys cryptocurrencies, buys real estate, is always making investments, I'm a risk taker. I'm a huge risk taker. And it's nice to know that we can just buy this and just hodl. We don't have to take any risks. We could just chill out. We could just buy this and we could just hang out and relax. And every time it goes down, we can just buy more. We don't have to worry about selling. We want to accumulate so we get master nodes, which are like a dividend. And the more master nodes we get, the more money we're going to make. So we don't need to trade this. We don't need to buy low, sell high. We can just accumulate and accumulate and accumulate. And when it goes down, we sit on the wall and we buy more. And when it goes down, we sit on the wall and buy more. And occasionally, Max will give you instructions to sell. That's the only time I would even consider selling, is when Max says, okay, guys, sell a little bit. There's a large wall, or there's tons of buying come in, sell a little bit, and then go back on the wall and sit back on the wall, sit on the bid, and support the wall. Now we are working together as a community. We're working together to fight the good fight so that in the end, everybody gets a chance to win. So, like I said, I've been doing this for 18 years. I've never seen anything like this. I've seen a lot of people promote stocks. I've seen a lot of people promote a lot of different things. And a lot of them have been successful, a lot of them have not. But what I can tell you is this is different. This is unique. This is special. And to be a part of it is incredible. And the fact that you guys are jumping on board, the fact that you guys are fighting the good fight, the fact that you guys are behind the movement, and within our community today, in our chat room, I see some of you guys are talking about, I'm not going to sell, I'm holding, I'm hodling, I'm in for the long haul. It just shows me that you guys understand the vision, that you guys understand the mission, that you guys understand the message. And I don't have to tell you the message. I'm going to let Max drive this ship. What I want to do is I want to be one of his light workers. I want to keep delivering the message, sharing it on YouTube, and as an investor, support the cause by sitting on the wall, just sucking in the shares, sucking in the coins at the lowest price possible, and accumulate as many master nodes as humanly possible so that a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, we're all just sitting back collecting tons of revenue on a daily basis from the master nodes that we bought in these early stages for dirt cheap. That's what I'm excited about. Because we're just in the early stages here, guys. Like, how long has Max even been talking about Chaincoin? Like, you guys have to understand, this is literally an experiment that Max started. And I don't know if he expected the results to be this incredible, but it's taken on a life of itself. It's like an entire revolution now. And there's people all over the planet that are starting to learn about Chaincoin. And we want to be one of the messengers that continue to deliver the message. I don't usually go live on a Saturday. Usually on a Saturday at 11:30, I'm at the beach. But I'm so focused and I'm so excited about this movement, I can't think about the beach right now. The only thing I can think about is accumulating as many Chaincoin as I possibly can at the lowest possible price so I can support the cause and secure my position in this company. Now, my question to you guys is, what is it that you guys want to achieve? What is it that you guys want to do with Chaincoin? Because this is not just about making a trade. This is bigger. This is better. This is special. This is authentic. Do you guys see that? Do you guys really, truly feel that? Do you guys understand that? Like, do you guys see what I'm seeing? Because, man, it was Kenny that brought it to my attention. He's like, Rich, you got to watch Max. Rich, you got to watch Max. And like I said, at the time, I was so busy building the website, building the YouTube channel, that I was hearing him, but I wasn't truly listening. And it wasn't until I saw it go up 1,000% and everybody in our community was making money and Kenny was leading the charge and Kenny was sending me all these videos and I finally finished the website and I had things ready the way I wanted it to. And then I was like, okay, let me see these videos. And I started watching the videos and I was like, wow, this guy's powerful. Like, this guy's unique. This guy's special. And then I started seeing all the communities that were being created around this coin. And I was like, wow, this is very different. Now, no different than our community. When you grow that quickly, you're going to have haters. And that's what we've seen already in a short period of time. Oh, you guys want to see my guard dog? Hey, Ralphie. What's up, bud? Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at Ralphie. This is my guard dog right here. This is what I'm gonna do to all the trolls and the haters. I'm gonna sick Ralphie on them. That's a 104-pound blue nose pit bull right there, and I want to sick him on all the trolls, all the haters. I'd love to introduce you to Ralphie. He's quite the specimen. So yeah, so yeah. So anyways, to get back to the story, so this has been incredible. We are part of this revolution. I'm excited to be a part of it. And, you know, just haters, just back off, man. Just back off. There's no need for you to hate. Just participate, you know? There's no need to hate, participate, be a part of the movement. It's not about the money, it's about the freedom. And if everybody works together and starts to listen to the message and everybody starts to buy together, I honestly think we could see this coin at really crazy, crazy levels. It's already at crazy levels from where it started, but I just see it doing something different. And I don't know what, because I'm not a psychic, I'm not Nostradamus, I'm only Richstradamus. But what I can say is something different is happening here. It's not like anything I've ever seen before in my entire life. And like I said, I'd be ashamed to sell. And I will follow the leader's orders. And if Max says, hey, Rich, now's the time to sell a little bit and then go and support us on the wall, that's what we're going to do. If Max says, guys, sit on the bid, nobody sell, that's what we're going to do. If Max says, guys, sit on the wall, support the deal, that's what we're going to do. And I only... he's lying down right now, just chilling in the sun. Let's go take a look at him. You guys want to see? I'm live on YouTube. Everybody loves Ralph. Can you guys see him? He's taking a nice little nap in the sun. Everybody loves him. So that's my plan, is we're going to just continue to fight the good fight. And we, the haters are just going to have to back off, Haters are going to have to back off. And like I said, this isn't about the money right now. This is about the revolution. And it's just super, super exciting to be a part of something like this. And like I said, I've never been a part of anything like this. And I'm just happy to be a part of it now. And I'm not going to do anything to hurt Chaincoin or stop the momentum or send any other message different than what Max is sending. All I want to do is just accumulate the coin, follow the leader, and just deliver his message and spread it around on all the different social media platforms. Let everybody know what's going on and keep everybody within our community and everyone who's watching us, just keep them all informed, keep them educated, let everybody know what's happening on a day-to-day basis so that we can just be the first to always kind of know what's up. Now, there is something crazy that's happening right now, and he is putting out a press release on Monday. So what Max is saying is that now is the time to accumulate, because when that press release comes out on Monday, you know what happens with press releases, guys. It's like a promotional tool. So we are all anticipating, expecting that the chain coin is going to explode on Monday, that there will be a lot of buying, there will be a lot of volume, and it has the potential to go mainstream. So just position yourself right now, guys. Get in as low as possible. Sit on the bid, sit on the wall, support the deal, do the right thing. Don't be a trader. Don't be crushing it. Don't do anything to hurt it. Just do the right thing. Follow the message. Be a hodler. What is a hodler? A hodler is somebody that accumulates chain coins and doesn't buy and sell and flip coins. Just sits on the bid, accumulates it, and occasionally, based on Max's recommendation, you can sell a little bit to get a little bit more cash and then go back on the bid and support the deal again. But a hodler is somebody that just holds long term and accumulates master nodes so that you can actually generate a daily revenue based on your master nodes, as opposed to trying to generate a daily revenue by trading. So I'm proud to say that I am a hodler. I want you guys to be proud to say that you're hodlers, and this is the new revolution. Hodlers have brass balls. We are not weak. We are not feeble. We do not jump ship as soon as something goes wrong. We are going to fight the good fight. We are going to spread the message. We are going to do the right thing. We're going to work hard to support the cause, and we're going to deliver the message. So this is me just talking to you guys about what's going on. It's a revolution. I hope you guys can jump on the bandwagon. I'm super excited about it. And if you can't afford to buy any right now, that's fine. You don't have to necessarily buy it to deliver the message. Just spread this message, spread this video. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell people you know about CHC, about Chaincoin, and why it's different, why it's unique, why it's a different platform, and what is really happening, and what's making this platform so different, what's making this platform so unique, and why it's giving the people, you, the people that are watching. And that's the question. Who is watching? What is it? It's giving you, the people, an opportunity to get freedom, which is the same message I've always tried to deliver, guys. All I want here on Rich TV Live is to create freedom for you, the people. And when I started this 6 months ago on YouTube, I didn't know how we were going to create freedom. I just knew that as long as we continue to look for opportunities, as a serial entrepreneur and an opportunist, I knew that eventually we would find something. We would either find our way, we'd either find a stock, we'd find a cryptocurrency, we'd find something to create freedom. And I believe more than anything else now, than I've ever been a part of in my life, that this is that opportunity. And it feels so exciting to be a part of something like this. And like I said, it's not about the money anymore. Guys, I've made a lot of money. I got a villa in the Dominican Republic. I've owned 10 houses. I own tons of real estate, stocks, cryptocurrencies, businesses. I got accounts all over the globe. I mean, I got a lot of things going on. I'm a busy guy. But I've never been a part of something like this. I've never been a part of something where, you've got a community of people and they're all buying together. They're all selling together. They're all winning together. They're all hodling together. It's totally unique. It's totally special. Oh man, I love you guys. You guys coming in here, joining the room, joining the community, being a part of this. We all need to work together to spread this message. We all need to deliver this message because, like I said, this isn't about money. The only thing I can really relate this to is when, Martin Luther King started his revolution. Honestly, I got to put it at that level because how many people in this world are looking for freedom? 99%? It's the 1% that run the world and control all the money. And they're so greedy, they want it all. They create it, but yet even though they create it, they still hoard it. It's stupid. So this is an opportunity for us as the people to fight back, work together, and change the world. And for us to be here, like literally in the first couple weeks of this revolution, I can only imagine where this is going to be in a month, in 6 months, in a year. It's absolutely incredible, and it's powerful, and it's you, the people. You guys can make a difference. One person can't make a difference, but together, all of us can make a difference. Max has already proven that. He's already shown me that as a YouTuber. He's already shown me that as an investor. So I'm 100% behind Max. I'm not going to tell you guys what to do. You guys are welcome to do whatever you want to do. But if you guys want to day trade this, it's probably not the best cryptocurrency to day trade, okay? If you want to accumulate this, if you want to just buy this and sit on the bid, sit on the wall and accumulate, and every time it goes down, buy more, that's kind of more of what this coin is. And then once in a while, when Max says, okay, guys, tons of buying's coming in, sell a little bit, those are our instructions. So we follow those instructions, okay? So when you're looking for a little bit of cash, that's the only time I would be okay with selling, is when Max gives us the green light. Otherwise, I honestly would feel like I am a traitor. I would feel like I'm being sneaky. I would feel like I would be potentially hurting the community, and I'm not interested in doing that. I'm interested in following the message, following the vision, following the instructions of our captain. And our captain is Max. And I'm just a general for Max now. I am a general for this revolution. I am a general for the cause, and I will continue to be a general for the cause. I'm going to be talking about it daily. I'm going to be live streaming as much as I can, and I'm going to keep bringing you guys news and updates as much as I humanly can, because I love the cause. I love the community that I'm a part of now, thanks to Max and his people. And I'm proud to say I'm a general for the Chaincoin revolution. And you, the Rich TV Live community, you guys are light workers, and you guys are generals right on the front line for the Chaincoin CHC revolution. And we are not going to stop until everybody within this community creates freedom. That's what this is about, guys. And I feel so confident in this. I've never felt as confident in this as I felt in anything. And I see how fast it's growing. I see how big it's getting. I see how fast it's blowing up. And even though it's blowing up so fast and it's going so well and people are doing so well, you still see the hate. You still see the envy. You still see the jealousy, which is sad. You know, it's sad. Why do we have people, like Martin Luther King that changed the world, but then they have haters? Why do we have people like Abraham Lincoln that changed the world, and then he has his haters? Because this world is filled of haters, unfortunately. But I truly believe that 1/3 of the world, 1/3 of the world is haters, and I believe that 2/3 of the world is positive people that only want good for themselves, for their friends, and for their family. So if the 2/3 of the world comes together to fight against that 1/3 of the haters, we will win. Max has already proven it. Chaincoin has already proven it. And every single day when I wake up from sleeping and I go and I look in that Slack account, or I go and watch Max go live, or I'm watching these guys, these random guys that are literally live streaming 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, talking about Chaincoin, I just feel like this is something different. This is something you can't even sleep. It's so powerful. It's so exciting. It's so revolutionary that you can't even sleep. But we need to sleep to operate, to make good decisions. So, I had good sleep, but literally as soon as I woke up, the first thing I did is I pulled up my phone and I looked at the price. And I saw the price was at like $1.95. And I was like, wow, that's a good price to buy. And that's the way I think now. When it's down, it's a good price to buy. That's when you want to accumulate. That's when you want to accumulate. You want to accumulate when it's down. You don't want to panic. You don't want to sell. Let's take a look at the price right now. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's climbing right back. We're back up to $2.57. When I woke up this morning, an hour and almost 2 hours ago, it was at $1.95. It's been as low as $1.37. It's already back to 257. So if you had the opportunity to buy it under $2, you're already up. Now, are you going to flip it? Listen, like I said, I'm not going to tell you guys what to do, but that's not my strategy. Just hodl, accumulate, and win. Because long term, as long as we continue to accumulate, as long as we continue to follow the leader, Max, and we do the right things, we will all win. Because we will be acquiring our masternodes, and our masternodes are going to be paying us the daily dividend. And because of that, the more masternodes we acquire, the more money we're going to make. And if we're making money just on our masternodes, we don't need to trade. We just need to keep accumulating. And when it goes down, we buy more. All right, guys, that's my rant for right now. I'm going to go back and, join the community, see what everybody's doing. I'm going to share this message everywhere, and I'm going to get more funds available for next week so that I can start really accumulating my masternodes and position myself in a big way in CHC, the #1 cryptocurrency in the planet, the #1 revolution that I've ever been a part of, that I'm excited to be a part of right now today. And all I can say is, have a great day, guys. I'll probably be coming back at some point today because this is so exciting. I got so many things to think about, so many things to talk about, and most likely I'll be back again soon. So have yourself a good one. Fight the good fight. Continue to hodl. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace. I'm out, bunch of hodlers. I love you guys. Rich TV Live 24/7. That's what we do. We win. Oh, yeah, and by the way, if you're not winning, you're probably not watching. And when you win, occasionally you get a chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Hope you're enjoying that chicken dinner, guys.